Hello students, fifth exercise, fourth question. On SP of mobile, means selling price of mobile equal to 750 rupees. Shopkeeper losses 10%. For what amount should be sell it is gain percent of 5%. Answer, SP of mobile. SP of mobile equal to 750 rupees. Loss percent equal to 10%. We know that CP equal to formula 100S by 100 minus loss percent. 100 into selling price. SP means 750 by 100 minus 10. Here 100 into 750 by 100 minus 10. 90. Here cancellation 1010 get cancelled. 75 into 100 7500 by 9. This is CP. Again here 3 table cancellation. 3 2s 3 5s 00 3 3s 9. Here 3 table cancellation. This is CP rupees 2500 by 3. For that again gain percent they given. Gain percent equal to 5%. SP equal to CP into 100 plus gain by 100. This is formula. CP how much? 2500 by 3 is there. 3 right denominator into 100 plus gain percent 5 by here 2500 by 3 is there, 3 here right, into 100. Again see here CP means 2500 by 3 into 100 plus G, G means 5% by 100. Again here 2500 into 100 plus 5, 105 by 100 into 3, 300. Now here 2 zeros get cancelled. Here 3 ones, 3 3s 9, 3 5s 15. Means 25 into 35. 25 into 35 will get 875. 875 rupees. What is this? SP. Selling price. So therefore to get gain of 5%, mobile, what they asking? Must to be sold. So means if in case 5% gain percent means how much should be sold amount for 875 rupees. 875 rupees. She will get gain percent of 5%. Fifth question. A farmer sold 2 bullocks for 24,000 each. One bullock is he gained 25% and another one lost for 20%. Means second one lost 20%. First one gained 25%. Then find his total profit or loss percent. SP of first bullock 24,000. Gain percent equal to 25%. SP equal to, we know that formula, CP into 100 plus G percent by 100. We want CP, cost price, equal to, here 100 send this side, SP into 100 means 100 into SP by 100 plus gain percent. 100 into SP means 24,000 by 100 plus gain percent how much? 25. Here 100 into 24,000 by 100 plus 25, 125. Here cancellation. See here cancellation 5 table take. Here 5 2s, 5 5s, 5 20s, again 5 5s, 5 4s. Here 5 1s, 5 4s 20, 5 8s 40, 00. Means totally here 4 into 4,800 will get do product 19,200. 19,200. What is this? CP. CP equal to 19,200. Next. SP of second bullock. SP of second bullock equal to same cost 24,000. 24,000. The second one is loss percent equal to 20%. How much the second one loss? 20%. Then CP equal to 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percent. 100 into SP how much? 24,000 by 100 minus 20. Now 100 into 24,000 by 100 minus 20, 80. Here do cancellation. So 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. 8 ones, 8 threes, 24, 00. Means 300 into 100 will get 30,000 rupees. This is what this one CP of second bullock. Total CP. Total CP equal to first one will get 19,200 plus second one 30,000. Total add will get 49,200. 19,200 plus 30,000 will get 49,200 rupees. What is this? Total CP. Now total SP. Total SP. First 24,000 and the second one also 24,000. So we'll get 48,000. This is total SP. Here observe CP, SP. CP is more. CP more means we'll get loss. CP more. CP more means we'll get loss. Loss equal to CP minus SP. CP how much? 49,200 minus SP 48,000. 1,200 is loss. 1,200 loss. Loss percent equal to loss percent. Loss by CP into 100. Loss by CP into 100. 1,200 by CP how much? 49,000 into 100. 49,200. Here 2 zeros get cancelled. Again here 2 table cancellation. Finally 12 into 100. 1,200. Here first 2 zeros get cancelled. 12 into 100. 1,200 by denominator what is there? 492. Here 200. 492. Again loss percent equal to, this is 2 table cancellation. Finally we'll get 2.4390 approximately. So we can write 2.44%. Loss percent equal to 2.44. Again see, SP of first bullock equal to 24,000, gain percent 25%. For that CP equal to 100 into SP by 100 plus G. Here 100 into 24,000 by 100 plus 25 will get 19,200 CP. First bullock CP 19,200. Second bullock SP equal to 24,000, loss percent 20%. For that CP equal to 100 into SP by 100 minus loss. 100 into 24,000 by 100 minus 20. 100 minus 20 will get 80. This total cancellation after will get CP equal to 30,000. First one 19,200. Second bullock 30,000. Total CP equal to 49,200. 49,200 is total CP. SP selling price is 24,000 plus 24,000 will get 48,000. Here observe CP is more. Here 49,200. SP is 48,000. CP is more. CP more will get loss. Loss equal to CP minus SP. 49,200 minus 48,000. We'll get 1200. 1200 is loss. Loss percent equal to loss by CP into 100. Loss how much? 1200 by CP. CP means here solid children here 49,200 CP into 100. Here two zeros get cancelled. 12 into 100. 1200 by 492. Otherwise these two zeros cancel. 1200 by 492. Do division this total two table cancellation. Finally we'll get 2.4390. We can write approximately digits, 3 digits. We can write only single digit 2.44. Loss percent equal to 2.44.